Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be talking about eye cream. That's everyone's favorite product, right? So it's going to be a Korean product. It is called, okay, the brand, I am probably going to butcher this. I'm sorry in advance. Pyunkang Yul. I'm sorry. If you guys know how to pronounce it properly, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to know. So it's my first time using this brand. I have come across it on various skincare websites and I decided to try it out. So this is what I got. Isn't this amazing? Look at the packaging. So it came in this cute little box and I was so impressed because it wasn't overly expensive, but I didn't expect it to come in such a nice box. It's a little tin box, so when you open it up, it comes like this. Okay. So I've used the product already and it's almost empty, so it's looking a little weird in here, but it looks really nice when you first open it and it's all new. So it's like this, okay? And that's just the empty box, and I'm going to be keeping this box. It's so cute. I mean, you could use it for something else, right? So beautiful packaging. Okay, so this is the product. It is called the Black Tea Time Reverse Eye Cream. This is how it looks like, and it's almost empty, so I'm just gonna use a little bit here just to show you guys. Nothing special, it's just like a white cream. And obviously you apply it around your eye area. So I apply this almost every night. It is almost gone. I don't know, the tube's kind of going weird here. I don't know if you see this part here looks a little deformed, but again, it's almost empty, so that is what it looks like. Okay, so let's talk about the effectiveness. I mean, it feels okay. It's not exceptionally creamy like some eye creams are, so it feels pretty okay around my eye area. It has no smell, which is great. And I believe this brand is a clean brand, so there's enough parabens and all that, chemical stuff. So I kind of like that about the brand. This is the very first thing I've ever gotten from this line. I did get some samples from them, so I may try those out and see how that goes. But so far I am pretty okay with this product. However, because I like to try new products, I probably will not purchase this eye cream again. I just want to try some other brands, but if I can't find other brands, I am happy to go back to this brand because it did a good job, I think, overall. Let's go ahead and give it a rating. For those of you that are new, I have a 4-heart rating system for the products that I talk about. So we're going to be talking about the effectiveness, the pricing, the packaging, and the fragrance. So let's go ahead. It's going to be really quick. Fragrance. There's no fragrance, so that's perfect. I love it. So I will give it 1 point. Packaging. Of course. Look at it. It's so beautiful. 2 points. The pricing. So I think the pricing is okay. I mean, it is an eye cream. Most eye creams are a little more expensive, just over $30. So I'll give it the point. And effectiveness, again, I am pretty satisfied with the product overall, given all the aspects that we talked about. So I think I will be happy to give this product full marks. So 4 out of 4 hearts. So if you are thinking about buying this product, I hope this helped you out. Let me know if you have any comments below and I will be glad to answer them. And I will see you next time. Thanks for joining. Bye.